Hi, this is Trading Service Team from Made-in-China.com. In this video, we are going to be covering how to modify order. When modifying an order, there are several steps. You log into your Made-in-China.com account. Go to Transactions My Orders. Click the Request Revision to modify order. Supplier modifier the order. Buyer confirms the modification. Complete. Then we will explain one by one. How to modify order. You log into your Made-in-China.com account. Go to Transactions My Orders. Click the Request Revision to modify orders. Please fill in the content you need to modify and contact the supplier as soon as possible. The supplier will receive your order modification request and communicate with you as soon as possible to confirm the details. After supplier modifying the order, you'll need to confirm the modification in your account. You can accept or reject a supplier's order modification until both parties communicate and negotiate. When an order is in different status, the fields that can be modified vary accordingly. After shipment completion, the order content cannot be modified. Before shipment completion, partial modifications to the order information are allowed. For specific changes, please refer to the table and communicate with the supplier accordingly. For more questions, please feel free to check out our FAQ page from Made-in-China.com. Thank you for your patience.